Hi, my name is Ahmed Elmalla. I'm a computer engineer who have been tutoring for the last 20 years. I have taught more than 2,000 private tuition hours, and I specialize in teaching Python, VB.NET, and Java. I also teach the syllabus of IGCSE, ABCS, the College Board course for computer science. I also teach the IBDB Option D computer science course. I teach both the theoretical side and the practical side. I also taught undergraduate students from Manson University in US, and I also taught master degree students in Colorado University of Mines. Well, I'm offering something that is actually different from other tutors. And I have a solid working experience, and I have completed projects that is software projects actually in Germany, US, Malaysia, and my software is still running all around the world. So I am bringing a lot of experience to the table, and I'm offering that experience to the students. So uh, typically other tutors or even other teachers don't really have practical experience in the real world, but I'm offering that for my students. I'm offering my real world experience of software projects to my students. And in addition to that, I have the ability to simplify the terms as much as I can. And I find that my students like it because I understand things from inside out. I have worked with my own hand. I got my hand dirty working on projects. So I know things from inside out. I am not only reading a syllabus. I'm teaching based on experience. So certain information and certain knowledge, it cannot be gained only from the syllabus, especially in solving problems or even writing projects. Certain projects, like for example, people are working on the automation side. If they are creating software projects for the automation side, many things cannot be taught in the syllabus or even in courses. And so I have that knowledge. I have that knowledge. So I got knowledge in completing like automation projects, machine projects, desktop applications, machine control applications. I even have a knowledge in programming smart cameras, making C# applications for smart cameras, and many more. I have supported my knowledge and my experience with studies from Stanford University, Pennsylvania University, California Irvine University, and I also started recently to study in Illinois University that helped me enrich my knowledge in teaching. And the same goes when I'm studying at University of London to also enrich my knowledge on how to teach students and how to make my students excel in their subjects. I think I can help you success in your career, in your courses, in your exams. My students have feedback that they have performed very well in their exams, and I think I'm able to help you. So please let me teach you or give you a demo class, and then you can judge. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.